Alright.
I love you. You're my brother.
Okay.
You've always been here for me through my shitty times and all that stuff. And I'm super honored that you're actually being my best man for, you know, this next chapter in my life. So I want you to have something that you'll remember it. I mean, I hope you don't forget it, but at the same point, I got you
What
this.
the fuck? Oh my god.
It's got your last name on the
Oh
card.
shit.
And then
It's money, yeah.
it's super sharp.
Yeah.
Open this one too.
Oh yeah. Holy shit! Is this was
It's a custom-made
Damascus?
kukri knife. It's Damascus steel.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Achu will love this.
I know. I was literally thinking. Remember when I asked you what type of wood you like?
Oh,
That's
that's
the
why.
handle.
Yeah. Well, oh, thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
And custom handle. So when I go killing people,
Exactly.
so when we go on the forest and the shrooms, I can just take this out and just start slicing all the branches, kill all the monsters.